Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix you can't buy or sell items on the marketplace on the Facebook. So the process is pretty simple. If you won't have access to buy sell in the marketplace of the Facebook, simply open your browser and search for the I can't access Facebook marketplace, and on the second link you will see this. You have to tap on it. So it's an official help link of the facebook.com, and you can simply read all of the details. Maybe you find your error why you will not access marketplace of the Facebook, or you can simply make a request. So right now this is not working in my country, but if it's working in your country, you can simply get from here. You have to submit that to the Facebook, and Facebook will allow your marketplace for sell and buy your products by reviewing your request. So hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.